Today's session we are going to study about the computer application. My people from over all the world, I'm greeting you who following my channel. So a special student from University of London College of Business, I'm greeting you. So today we are going to study about how to find out the total. So we have our question, as you see in this Excel. Question is asking us calculate total, average, and grade and mark. So they're saying that for grading you are going to give a grade A, a B, C, D, and E. So for remark, if someone in a test having above 50, you are going to give a pass. If it's below, you are going to give fail. So let us look about how to find out the total. You click in this cell, then you insert x equal sign, and then you find out the sum. You are going to calculate the sum. Then you select the length, the number, numbers. Then you click on enter to get the total. So this is what we are going to use. So you can come up here and you put this cursor, which is black, and then you scroll down up to 51, and then you leave it the total exactly. Now we're done. So you come here at average. You are going to insert equal sign in this Excel, then you write average here. You come and then double click, and then you are going to select this range from here from test 1 up to test 4. Then you click on no, enter, you get averaging. Here you can double click, and then in this this column you get average. So we are going about the grade. Please remember to subscribe for this channel. You are going to get the skills at high level. Praise and share to others. Comment below. This is Uppertake TV, my channel. If you are not understanding well, if you are not getting this link, you can go in Google search and you search Uppertake TV. You get directly all videos I provide for students. Don't miss. So let us go about how to grading this average. So they say that you are going to insert equal sign and say if, you say this logic and you say if this average, which is in I6, is greater than 81, we are going to grade as A. You give a grade of A. And also you say if, continue to use if this average, you use the one column, the one logical test you are saying, in order to scroll all down. If is greater than 61, comma, you are going to give a grade. You used this quotation, you are going to give a grade B. And also you say if this total, this average is greater than 41, we are at 41, then comma, you give a quotation, meaning that you are going to get B. You are going you are going to grade as C, this quotation, and then comma, and also say if, again, until all these requirements, if this average is greater than 21, comma, you grade as D, or quotation, comma, and also say if just one, if this average is greater than 0. You can use less when you are using this minus, but I'm using greater because I'm using this positive number. You grade, and so comma, you grade as E, and click on enter, click on yes, then you say, you see this is in grade A. You can come here and double click, you get the grades. So for Remark, it is the same, and also I'm going to show you another way of using that. You can use it. So let us find out. Let's go for finding about Remark. We are going to Remark. How would I say that? If it is above 50, you are going to give them pass. If it is below, we are going to give 50. So I'm going to show you another way, but you can using at this like this grade, or also I'm going to show you another way. You insert equal sign, and also you come at here to formula, and you click here at logic, then you use if. Here they open this table, and also say that logical test, and say that this if average is greater than 50, it is greater than 50 as Mark said, then you are going to give them pass. Any will be fail. You click on OK. That is an answer, and then you can come here and double click, you get pass and fail. Okay, thank you very much. Please remember to subscribe, remember to share for other students to gain the more skills about this. This was a computer application day 1, so tomorrow session we are going to correct the many questions in order to make clear for our students to understand this course. Remember to subscribe Uppertech TV. Salman Everest. Follow me or contact me below.